a global institution operating in 14 countries, known for integrating education with the creative industries. As Group Brand Officer, she plays a key role in global branding and relation and multi-campus development. She is also the founder of the Live Green Fashion Club and the world's first university-based fashion label, which showcases in global fashion capitals including London, Paris, and New York. Beyond this, she has led initiatives with organizations such as UNICEF, UNESCO, and the World Bank, and has been recognized by international publications, including British Vogue, a recipient of numerous global honors, including the title Dato. At the age of 24, she continues to champion creativity and education worldwide. Let's all welcome Professor Emeritus Dato Tiffany Marie Gill.
Welcome, morning judges.
Yes, welcome.
Now let's proceed to the tabulators. Our first tabulator is a graduate of civil engineering and been working and residing in Malaysia for 10 years. He is currently employed with CRDC Malaysia and holds the position of site quantity surveyor, where he is responsible for cost estimation, project measurement, and site evaluation. Please welcome Mr. Menandro Mai Brasing.
Engineer in the Philippines. He has been working and residing in Malaysia for 16 years and is currently employed as a Standard Chartered Bank in Malaysia as an IT professional and software engineer. With his strong technical background and extensive experience in the banking and technology sector, he ensures accuracy and reliability in data systems and digital operations. Let's all welcome Mr. Arniel Arajes Caldo.
Our head tabulator is a mainframe programmer at Standard Chartered Bank. With over 10 years of professional experience in Malaysia, he also served as the commissioner of the Malaysia OFW Basketball League, where he actively supports and promotes sports within the Filipino community. With his strong technical expertise and leadership experience, we are honored to have him as head tabulators for today's event. Please welcome Mr. Roland Urante.
Once again, welcome to our board of judges and to our tabulators who have the very risky task for today's event.
Right, now we have the judges, we have the tabulators. Of course, we need something to compute, right?
Of course, we have our official judging criteria where our judges will base on that for 100%. We have charity, 35%, traditional festival costume, 25%, modern Ghana's inspired gown, 20%, question and answer, 15%, audience impact, 5%, a total of 100%.
So everyone that's cheering for your candidate, guys, it's going to be worth it because that composes 5% of their overall score. So, now I just want to explain the mechanics of this, of today's event. Now, after we score our candidates in the preliminary competition, we will determine the top 5 finalists. Okay? Now, the top 5 finalists, once they're selected, their scores will return to 0. Okay, so I will repeat. We will determine, out of the 12, we will pick 5 final finalists. And once we have the 5 final finalists, their scores will return to 0. Okay? And as we move to the final round of the competition, the judging will be based on the following criteria. Final question and answer, 60%. Beauty and overall presence, 40%. That makes a total That's tough, Kat. That's really tough call.
Yes, and on that top five finalists, we will determine who will
Lagay sa ilalim. Lagay sa ilalim kasi kanya.
So we're gonna have the fourth runner-up, third runner-up, second runner-up, first runner-up, and this year, Miss Unifil 2026.
Yes, our grand winner, Miss
Pwede tayo magdala ng wine sa 2031, di ba?
Yes, I'm so excited. And just like what I said earlier, Kat,
Yun. Saya yun. Kabang-kabang. Parang tungab-tungab na. Alam mo eh.
I'm telling you guys, I saw them on backstage. It was really,
Ano ba yan?
in Filipino we call it bongga.
Ano ba yan?
Right?
They were all amazing. We haven't seen actually the actual result, but we have seen their
Parang may ano ng bus
preparedness
pa. Parang
for today's traditional event, and it really amazed us. So later on, you will witness everything.
Are they ready to showcase it?
Araw-araw na ano, problema siya uuwi.
Is our candidates ready?
Kaya kailangan.
Yeah, you have to understand, guys, the costume that they actually prepared is so big. And I'm so honored because I can see that there are a lot of foreigners here as well who are not Filipino. Oh, okay. So this is the best time for us to showcase as well our festivals in the Philippines.
Yes, for all the foreigners guests here, we have our traditional festival costume competition first, and that will showcase in every region of our place in the Philippines.
And again, I'm so excited for them to witness it because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to showcase what we can offer to the world.
Yes.
With so many festivals that we have in the Philippines, this is the best venue, best time for us to showcase that festivals.
Yes, and for as long as we only have 12 candidates, we can only showcase today a 12 tradition festival costume, which is actually more than that we have in
We
Philippines.
have a lot. If I can showcase, I'm Bulakenyo, so if I can showcase whatever we have in Bulacan, I'll definitely showcase it for everyone to see here. Where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm from Baguio City.
What famous? Davao.
Bigyan mo lang
Wait,
pa.
Bulacan Bulakenyo people.
Balikan mo sa akin.
Parang natawag mo lang.
Uy, Bulakenyo. Asan mo Bulakenyo? Bulakenyo yan.
Oh, you would like to call any of the candidates already?
Oh, hindi pa rin ready. Hindi ba kasi dito?
We can open the door.
Ah, saan? Doon.
If you want.
Bayad ka ng 20.
Alright.
We're ready for that.
Ayan na. I'm so excited for this. No, seriously, I'm really excited for this because what I witnessed backstage is just,
Tatlo.
they're not wearing it yet, but I can see that it's going to be super cool.
Ganda niya yan.
Yes, we can sense and we can see their creativity as well as how they will project later on. That's what it is.
Exactly. Because more of showcasing the traditional costume or the festival, it's definitely, they're also going to be judged how they showcase it. Right?
Yeah, 10 minutes na. Pag-bowl lagi ko.
Okay, ready to go?
I think they're preparing it.
10 minutes yan.
And you know, I just want to let you know that because last year, event, okay, this year is going to be so special because all the candidates are also represented by different organizations.
Yes, and it's a Filipino community, all
Exactly.
presented by them.
And mind you, these are only few organizations here in Malaysia, and that only means we can produce beautiful women, right?
Yes, but of course, they are all beautiful.
True, you are beautiful. Okay, now, while we are waiting for our candidates in their festival costume, we just have a short raffle.
Yes, for viewers, we would like to have a round of applause before we showcase our candidates.